Hey, Evan.
Hey Neal, what are we doing today? We have an incredible opportunity to do something amazing for the children who come here to the JCA.
Oh, that's awesome. Are you going to tell me what it was?
Yup.
It's a zero entry splash pad.
Did you just say we're going to raise money for a zero entry splash pad here at the JCA?
Yup. But Neal, we need help making a splash or a no splash because it is zero entry, but people will get splashed. Anyway, we need to make this happen for the children who come here.
But Evan, how are we going to raise that kind of money to put this splash pad?
But Neal, we have an opportunity to match all the money we raise. As long as that money is in by April 30th, the Harold Greenspan Foundation is going to match a portion of the funds. So we need your help to make it happen. And we made it easy for people to help us. You can click the link in this post to donate or just text SplashPad25 to 41444. Again, text SplashPad25 to 41444. That's a 4, a 1, and 3 4s.
What is it doing, Evan?
I'm going to make a splash.
More, this. Yeah, I'm here in a closet.